Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can repair an butane refillable uh, uh, gas lighter which is used to uh, light lighten up the gas cooker. So you guys, I'm pretty much sure you guys have seen this kind of lighters. So you can refill these lighters with butane gas cans. And the problem that I had is uh, this lighter is not uh, giving any flames. So then I try to find a way to open this. Then I figure out that first you have to uh, take out this cap. Okay, like this. Then you can take this handle grip part, and there was a screw, and I already removed that screw also. After that, it's just you can you can just take it like this. Okay. Okay, now you see, so I already fixed that problem that I had. So the problem was, I don't know whether you can see this, in here, this is the gas little rubber tube. The problem that I had was this rubber tube was loosened, so I fix it tightly, then my problem is solved. So you can see it's a really small problem, but even though the lighter will not giving any flames, so what you have to do is tighten this rubber tube. So think for a moment that if it's have loosened, then you have to fix it properly. Then you can put everything together like it was before, and then you can use it as previous. So that's it for today, guys. So it's really quick and easy repair video, and thanks for watching this video. Let's meet with another good video. Thank you.